Well Cafe today. I got tuxedo cups, cream cheese, 2, and salted caramel. They're gluten-free, they're delicious. I also purchased a soup, and this is a vegetable. All their soups are gluten-free. But this spoon I got is broken. I gotta go back in and get another one. So I'm gonna sit here and enjoy the soup. And the 2 tuxedo cup, look at that one, isn't it cute? That one is going to my dad. Well, all right, let me put it in the sunlight. See if he, oh, it's so adorable. Look at that. Oh, these are delicious. This is the cream cheese with the blueberry on top. These are salted caramel. These are all gluten-free, as I said, so try it out. If you ever come to Huntingdon Valley or Philadelphia, stop by the Well Cafe. Dr. Oz was here. I missed him now. And here's my soup, and great. Just a real quick video today. It does get noisy out here, but I'll just show you around. It's really a pretty area. Over there is Huntington Pike. I live in Philadelphia, but it's really close to my house. I'm only 10 minutes from here, so very difficult to find gluten-free baked goods, unless I bake it myself. These are so delicious. I hope you enjoy them someday. And they're not that expensive. I think they're $3. I forget. I don't care. I just buy them. I like them. And thanks for watching. While you're there, hit the like button, subscribe for me, and I'll see you next time for my acrylic pouring videos.